In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice isolation. During voice call or video call on FaceTime, you can easily choose voice isolation to make your voice more clearer. You can turn on voice isolation during the call to make the incoming call clearer on your device. Now, during the incoming call, this is what you need to do to turn on voice isolation. Pick the call. Once you pick the call, then you should have this. Then swipe down from the top right, just like this. And then click on the mic mode. You can see my device is set to standard. So since it's set to standard, I will not be able to choose voice isolation. Just go ahead and click on mic mode, press and hold that. Once you press and hold the mic mode, then you have three options available here: standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. Then go ahead and tap voice isolation. Once you hit the voice isolation, hit the back button, and then go back to your calls. As the call continues, the incoming voice should be more clearer on your iPhone. So this is how to turn on or enable voice isolation on iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to level, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.